She dashed to school every day. Option B. Goes. She goes to school every day. The sun dash in the east. Option C. Rises. The sun rises in the east. I dash very happy today. Option B. I am very happy today. They dash completed their homework. Option B. They have completed their homework. We dash meet tomorrow. Option A. We will meet tomorrow. The book dash on the table. Option A. The book is on the table. If you dash well, you will pass. Option A. Study. If you study well, you will pass. The train dash late last night. Option C. Arrived. The train arrived late last night. She dash a letter every Sunday. Option B. Writes. She writes a letter every Sunday. They dash football yesterday. Option A. Played. They played football yesterday. She was born 2005. Option D. She was born in 2005. The book is the two chairs. Option C. Between. The book is between the two chairs. He dash watching TV when I arrived. Option A. He was watching TV when I arrived. I saw elephant at the zoo. Option B. I saw an elephant at the zoo. Give this pen to dash. Option D. Me. Give this pen to me. The dog wagged tail. Option B, it's, the dog wagged its tail. Dash are going to the park. Option A, they are going to the park. There is dash university in this city. Option A, there is a university in this city. I will meet you dash Monday. Option D, on, I will meet you on Monday. He dash watching TV when I arrived. Option C, he was watching TV when I arrived.